Hello, I'm Dr. Frances Pitsillis. Are you having trouble drinking that cold beer without coughing? Well, 25% of people get a post-infectious cough. That's a cough after you've recovered from your cold or chest infection. And the same people tend to get this cough over and over again next time they get the infection. This post-infectious cough is a really powerful disruptor of quality of life. It keeps you and everyone else awake. It stops you from working properly. It really is irritating, goes on and on and on, and its definition is that it lasts for 8 weeks. And of course, a lot of people will tell you that you just have to ride it out, but you don't have to just ride it out. The 3 main causes of post-infectious cough are asthma or an airways instability that has occurred associated with your infection, a post-nasal drip that's kept going after the infection's improved, and in some people, just an irritation of their airways. The infection has got better, but the irritation of the airways hasn't got better. So one of the things that you can do with your family doctor is get some decongestant medicine to dry up your post-nasal drip, and you can even use a nasal spray. Your doctor can also help you if it's an asthmatic type cough by giving you medication that will help you with that. But the third most important thing to consider if no cause is found is some inhaled steroid or oral steroid therapy. In fact, I've found it very successful. It's only on the odd occasion that I need to give my patient a second lot of oral steroids for 6 to 8 days. So that's important for you to consider, and it may help to get rid of that 8-week misery. Now, I also have a few tips for you. While you're helping yourself to get better from this post-infectious cough, you should warm up the bedroom to 25 degrees tropical so that it's warm air that you're breathing. It's not how warm you are in bed, it's the warm air that you're breathing that will stop you coughing. You should also find the strongest menthol-containing lozenges that you can find, because it's the menthol that warms up your throat and stops you from coughing. The other thing that you can try is the age-old remedy of a hot honey drink. I'm not sure if the spirit helps, but I definitely do know that the honey coats the throat. And of course, the honey contains a lot of polyphenols, which are plant antioxidants that may be of some help to you. So remember, if your cough persists despite these tips that I've given you, you must see your doctor to make sure it's not something more serious, and your doctor can help you immensely with medication, including some steroids.